Revolutionizing communication, the power of ChatGPT in 2023 and its future. Introduction: chatbots have been around for a while, but with advancements in natural language processing, NLP, technology, chatbots powered by generative pre-trained transformers, GPT, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Chapter 1: Understanding ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? How does it work? The benefits of using ChatGPT over traditional chatbots. Chapter 2: The use cases of ChatGPT. How ChatGPT is being used in customer service to improve response times and accuracy. Chapter 3: The future of ChatGPT. The potential for ChatGPT to become even more human-like and intelligent, leading to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty. Chapter 4: The benefits of ChatGPT. The cost savings and improved efficiency associated with ChatGPT. Chapter 5: Best practices for implementing ChatGPT. How to design effective conversations and provide valuable information to customers. Chapter 6: Ethics and social implications of ChatGPT. The ethical concerns associated with ChatGPT, including privacy and data protection. Future of ChatGPT. Advancements in ChatGPT technology. Potential applications for ChatGPT. How ChatGPT can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase revenue in these industries. The role of ChatGPT in personalization. How ChatGPT can be used to personalize customer experiences and interactions. The potential risks and challenges associated with personalization and how to address them. The impact of ChatGPT on job market. The potential impact of ChatGPT on the job market, including job displacement and new job opportunities. How businesses can prepare for the changes that ChatGPT may bring to the job market. By understanding the potential applications of ChatGPT, its impact on personalization and job market, and the future of the technology, we can prepare for the changes and opportunities that ChatGPT may bring to the world.